Jai Jagannath, a warm welcome to you all to my channel with a new video. Hope you all are doing good. Today's video is all about prime and composite numbers. First of all, you told me about my previous class. Is it easy to find factors of a number? Please comment me on the comment box. But in today's video, I will tell you about the prime and composite numbers. Here is a question that you find the factors of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2 equal 1 into 2 and 2 into 1. So the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Then 3. 3 equal 1 into 3 and 3 into 1. So the factors of 3 are 1 and 3. So here 1 is the smallest factor and 3 is the greatest factor of 3. Then the number 4. 4 equal 1 into 4. Then 2 into 2. Then 4 into 1. So the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Then let's find the factors of 5. What are the different possibilities? Let's see. 5 equal 1 into 5 and 5 into 1. So the factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Then the number 6. The factors of 6 are 1 into 6, 2 into 3, 3 into 2 and 6 into 1. By arranging in ascending order, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Some of these numbers like 2, 3, 5 are having 2 factors and some numbers like 4 and 6 having more than 2 factors. So a number having 2 factors is called a prime number. Example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. These prime numbers have only 2 factors. That is 1 and the number itself. Here one question arises in my mind. How many prime numbers are there in 1 to 100? Let's find. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Total prime numbers from 1 to 100 is 25. But remember that 2 is the only even number which is prime. So what is a composite number? The number having more than 2 factors is called a composite number. Example 4, 6, 8, 9. Here remember this. 4 is the smallest composite number. You can also find from this chart that the numbers having cross marks are composite numbers and the numbers having circled are called prime numbers. Let's move towards 3 and 5 are 2 prime numbers. 5 and 7 are also prime numbers. 11 and 13 are prime numbers both. These numbers are called twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers with one composite number in between them are called twin prime numbers. Example: 3 and 5, 5 and 7, 11 and 13, 17 and 19, 29 and 31, 41 and 43, 59 and 61, 71 and 73. There are 8 pairs of twin prime numbers between 1 to 100. Do you know what are co-prime numbers? Two numbers having no common factors other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Two prime numbers are always co-primes. Two co-prime numbers may or may not be both prime numbers. In above the pairs, these numbers have no common factors other than 1. So these are co-prime numbers. This is all about today's video. Please do like, share and comment this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Neesan Study Corner. If you have any queries, please follow me on Insta at NSC Best. Thanks for watching.